Well, everyone out there, today is one of those special days. I and Dean are headed to Lambeau Field to watch the Packers. And I'm leaving Tomahawk. We've got 40, 50,000 plus bikers that are going to be heading home. The traffic's going to be heavy. Plus, then we pick up the people that are headed to Lambeau Field. I'm looking forward to a great day with my friend. Don't know how the Packers will do without their starting quarterback, but it'll be a fun day just for the camaraderie of it. And I'll add some things to this as we go. Hit that subscribe button and keep enjoying the videos, and I will keep enjoying making them. But today is a fun day. So we'll keep you informed on the trip to Lambeau Field. We are with Dean at Quick Trip in Green Bay. It's part of our tradition. Got a couple of hot dogs here, or brats and cheese dogs, and we're at our favorite table that we always sit at, getting ready for the game, having the big discussion on how we're going to win today.
How we're going to cook in the sun today.
How we're going to cook in the sun today. Yeah, it's going to be a warm one. So here I am with Dean, normally doing building stuff right in front of Lombardi at the historic Lambeau Field. We're getting ready for a great game today. Hopefully the backup quarterback can get her done, and we're going to have a great game. Keep watching. We'll put more and more together. Subscribe, because that gentleman right there, Mr. Dean, wants his $4 sandwich. Wants his $4 sandwich. So we got to get those subscriptions with Dean. We made it through the scanning for tickets and everything else, and we are inside the atrium, Lambeau Field, with all the other people getting ready for an exciting game. Yes, Steve?
Year 36 for Brian and I. We've been doing this for 36 years.
36 years, in case you didn't hear that. We've been doing this. Looking forward to this game. All right, Dean, let's go find our seats. Looking for my friends Karen and Monica. They're not here yet. They got row one. We're at Lambeau Field, ready to watch the Packers destroy the Indianapolis Colts today. It's going to be a bloodbath, people. That's my prediction. Lambeau Field, Packers 50, Colts -10.
There you have it, folks. The Perota prediction for the day. That's very optimistic.
I also predicted snow for today. Perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watch, we're so gallantly screaming, and the rockets rampant, the bombs bursting through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. That's what it's all about here. Excitement, being here firsthand. 36 years at Lambeau. 2 minutes left in the first quarter here. Packers just intercepted and are moving the ball. Well, the end of the third quarter here at Lambeau. We got a little roll out the barrel. And we have a 13-3 score. The Packers continue to try to run the ball. They did well the first half, but Indianapolis has figured that out and is loading the box This quarter has not been that successful for the Packers in their running game. Let's see how the fourth quarter finishes up here. Mr. Dean, any predictions?
It's going to cool off at about 8 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, it is hot here. I'm sweating. Warmest game I think I've been at during regular season. Everybody's hot. We got clothes. Put the sun out. We have not had any shade. Here we go, fourth quarter. 2-minute warning here. Hit that subscribe button. 2 minutes left. Third down. Fourth and 6. Fourth and 6. This is a nail biter, folks. Coming right down to the end. We'll catch you after the game. Subscribe, please, as we continue to bring these great things that are happening. From Lambeau, Iowa. 20 seconds of the game. Crowd is crazy. Both rolls out. Get him! Get him! We're not about 9 seconds left. Hey, from Lambeau Field ends on an interception. 5 seconds left. There was a nail biter. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to have more good things for you this year. So we're back at my buddy Dean's place from the Packer victory. Dean, what's your take on the game?
Well, all my fingernails are gone. 1 pack of Rolaids down the drain. Real nail biter. It was fun. It's always fun to be at Lambeau Field. The atmosphere is always great. Can't beat the weather. It's hot, but we did it. Another fun fact for the game today, that was the Packers' 800th victory in their franchise history. So that was something to be part of. So.
Yep, we got to see that. It was pretty cool. Yep. Alrighty. So this is going to conclude our Packer day. Tomorrow I'm going to be digging a gas line, I think, so I will be working tomorrow. So subscribe to that and check out my videos coming up this week. Glad to have you on board. Have a great week, everyone.
Take care.
Bye.